जो काम जहाँको हुन्छ त्यही गर्नुपर्छ. The work should be done where it belongs. The work should be done where it belongs. जो काम जसको हुन्छ उसैले गर्नुपर्छ. The work should be done by who it belongs to. The work should be done by who it belongs to. ऊ र म फरक संसारका हौं अथवा उसको र मेरो फरक संसार छ भन्नु पर्यो भने इंग्लिशमा he and I belong to different worlds. He and I belong to different worlds. उसले भाडाको लागि 1000 तिरेको छ र 1200 बाँकी छ. He has paid 1000 for the rent and 1200 is due. He has paid 1000 for the rent and 12,000 is due. तुरुन्तै याद गर्नुहोस्. Memorize right away. तुरुन्तै याद गर्नुहोस्. Memorize right away. बिहेमा जाने बहानामा बिदा लिएको थिएँ. I took leave on the pretext of attending a wedding. I took leave on the pretext of attending a wedding. प्रेम सोच विचार गरेर हुँदैन. Love doesn't require consideration. Love doesn't require consideration. ऐनाले कहिले झुट बोल्न दिदैन. A mirror never lets you lie. A mirror never lets you lie. ज्ञानले कहिल्यै भयभीत हुन दिदैन. Knowledge never lets one to be afraid. Knowledge never lets one to be afraid. सत्यले कहिल्यै पनि कमजोर हुन दिदैन. Truth never lets one to be weak. Truth never lets one to be weak. प्रेमले कहिल्यै घृणा गर्न दिदैन. Love never allows one to hate. Love never allows one to hate. विश्वासले कहिल्यै दुखी हुन दिदैन. Faith never lets one to be sad. Faith never lets one to be sad. बिजुली गयो. The electricity went off. The electricity went off. के तपाईले उहाँमा कुनै परिवर्तन देख्नु भएको छ? Have you noticed any change in him? Have you noticed any change in him? तपाईको अगाडि तपाईको सम्पूर्ण जीवन छ. You have your whole life ahead of you. You have your whole life ahead of you. उसलाई म भन्दा कम थाहा छ. She knows less than I do. She knows less than I do. तरकारीमा नुन कम हुन्छ. या छ. There is less salt in the vegetable. तरकारीमा नुन कम छ. There is less salt in the vegetable. तिमी उसको धेरै ख्याल गर्छौ. You care too much about her. You care too much about her. म चाहन्न मेरो कारणले कसैलाई समस्या होस्. I don't want anybody to face problems because of me. I don't want anybody to face problems because of me. पैसा उसको भगवान बन्यो. Money became his god. Money became his god. के तिम्रो बिहे तिम्रो इच्छा विरुद्ध भएको छ भन्न सोध्नु पर्यो भने कसैलाई इंग्लिशमा is your marriage against your will? Is your marriage against your will? मलाई हिचकी लागेको छ. I have got hiccups. I have got hiccups. तपाईलाई हिचकी लागेको छ. You have got hiccups. You have got hip hiccups. यसो गर्दा मलाई के फाइदा हुन्छ? What benefit would I draw by doing this? What benefit would I draw by doing this? यसको कुनै आवश्यकता छैन. There is no need of it. There is no need of it. यति लामो समयसम्म कोसँग कुरा गरिरहनु भएको थियो? Who were you talking to for so long? Who were you talking to for so long? यति मात्र होइन, उसले मलाई कुटपिट पनि गर्यो. Not only this, but also he beat me. Not only this, but also he beat me. उनी मैले सोचे भन्दा धेरै बुद्धिमानी छिन्. She is more intelligent than I thought. She is more intelligent than I thought. म साधारण केटी होइन. I am not an ordinary girl. म साधारण केटी होइन. I am not an ordinary girl. म तपाईप्रति साँच्चै ऋणी छु. I'm really indebted to you. I am really indebted to you. त्यो केटाले उसलाई पछ्याइरहेको छ. That boy is pursuing her. That boy is pursuing her. म उठेको 1 घण्टा भइसकेको छ. It's been an hour since I woke up. It's been an hour since I woke up. मैले जागिरको लागि आवेदन दिएको 1 महिना भयो. It's been a month since I applied for a job. It's been a month since I applied for a job. तिमी किन मेरो पछि लाग्न छोड्दैनौ? Why don't you stop pursuing me? Why don't you stop pursuing me? मेरो इन्कारको बावजुद पनि तिमी किन त्यहाँ जान्छौ? Why are you going there despite my denial? Why are you going there despite my denial? मेरो उपस्थितिमा कसैले तिमीलाई हानि गर्न सक्दैन. Nobody can harm you in my presence. Nobody can harm you in my presence. घर मर्मत भइरहेको छ. The house is being renovated. The house is being renovated. मैले भगवानमा विश्वास गर्न थालेको छु. I have started believing in God. I have started believing in God. उसले रामको खेलौना खराब गरिदियो. He spoiled Ram's toy. He spoiled Ram's toy. तपाईलाई कोकोले हराए? Who all defeated you? Who all defeated you? तपाई कसरी हार्नुभयो? How did you lose? How did you lose? तपाईको हारको कारण के थियो? What was the reason behind your defeat? What was the reason behind your defeat? मैले उसलाई हराए. I defeated him. I defeated him. मैले उसलाई हराउन सकिन. I couldn't defeated him. I couldn't defeat him. म फाइनलमा पुगेको छु. I have reached the final. I have reached the final. मैले हार मान्नु पर्ने भयो. I had to admit defeat. I had to admit defeat. कसले जित्यो? Who won? Who won? हिजो राति मैले एउटा अनौठो सपना देखेँ. I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night. म त्यहाँ गएँ किनभने मलाई मन थियो. I went there because I wanted to. I went there because I wanted to. मैले जे भने पनि उसले विश्वास गर्छ. He believes whatever I say. He believes whatever I say. तिमी पनि कसको कुरा गरिरहेको छौ? उसको विचार बेकार छ. Who are you talking about? His opinion is worthless. Who are you talking about? His opinion is worthless. उनी कहिलेदेखि बिरामी छिन्? How long has she been sick? How long had she been sick? वा How long has she been ill? तिनीहरूले के भन्छन् मलाई कुनै मतलब छैन. I don't care what they say. I don't care what they say. तिमीले मेरो कुरा सुन्नु पर्थ्यो. You should have listened to me. You should have listened to me. म तिमीलाई घरमै भेट्छु. I'll meet you at home. I will meet you at home. म तिमीलाई घरमै भेट्छु. के तपाई कुनै प्रकारको समस्यामा हुनुहुन्छ? Are you in some kind of trouble? Are you in some kind of trouble? हो म छु तर यसको तपाईसँग कुनै सरोकार छैन. Yes, I am in, but it has nothing to do with you. Yes, I am in. हो म छु but it has nothing to do with you. त्यस्तो केही छ मैले गर्न सक्ने या मैले के मद्दत गर्न सक्छु? त्यस्तो केही छ? Is there something I can do? Is there something I can do? छ कृपया मलाई केही ठाउँ दिनुहोस्. Yes, please give me some space. Yes, please give me some space. त्यसका लागि त साथी हो, त्यसैका लागि त साथी हो. That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for. मैले तिमीलाई पहिले कतै देखेको छु. I have seen you somewhere before. I have seen you somewhere before. मलाई अझै नजिकबाट हेर्न देऊ. Let me get a closer look. Let me get a closer look. मैले अझै कसैलाई भनेको छैन. I haven't told anyone else yet. I haven't told anyone else yet.